What's up, YouTube? I'm Tyler, this is Cuisine. So anyone who's baked muffins or cupcakes or something of the sort have probably used those paper baking cups that you find in the baking section at your local grocery store. The problem is, these baking cups can't be recycled and are not biodegradable in any way, so they end up causing a lot of waste. That's why today we're going to be reviewing some reusable baking cups that will hopefully by the end of our review, we will see is a great investment for the plant and your wallet. So these are the ones we'll be reviewing here. I got these off of Amazon. They're just the Amazon basic brand, so pretty much anyone could get a hold of these. So first impression, these actually feel a lot sturdier than I thought they'd be. They're still flexible, of course, but I think they will hold up well. Well, now let's get baking. Alexa, set timer for 20 minutes.
20 minutes, starting now.
All right, they've had some time to cool, so let's test it out. Came out pretty smoothly. It's definitely different taking a muffin out of one of these versus a paper cup. You can't just peel it off piece by piece like with a paper cup, but I still think it works pretty well. All right, so I got them all out and they all came out pretty clean, so let's see how easy they are to wash. So I found that if you're washing them by hand, you might have to put a little effort into getting those ridges there, but overall not hard. All of these are now clean. It's pretty good too. So to give my final review on these, I would say for functionality, I'll give it a 10 out of 10. For eco-friendliness, I would give it a 9 out of 10. I think it'd be a great way to reduce waste. The only reason I'm not giving it a 10 out of 10 because I feel like if this were to tear or just not work anymore for whatever reason, I'm not sure it could be recycled and it wouldn't be biodegradable anyway, but it could definitely be used a lot more than a paper one. So would I recommend this product? I would say if you're somebody who bakes a lot, definitely so. And if you'd like to own this product, I have the Amazon link down in the description below. Make sure to check that out if you haven't. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, drop a like on this video and share it with a friend if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Peace. What's up, YouTube? I'm Tyler, this is Cuisine. So anyone who's baked muffins or cupcakes or something of the sort have probably used those paper baking cups that you find in the baking section of your local grocery store. Mother liquor.